Hello everybody. We did now is I went out and I bought a drone. It's a JJRC X5 Epic drone. And let me show you what you get in the box. I've already opened it. This isn't the first time it's been out. Tried it out next to the RV and it's not very successful. It was not a very successful flight. You do get books and a quick launch book. There's the drone. The drone has a 2K camera underneath. It's not gimbal, but it's got dampening, vibration, etc., etc. You can control the camera up and down this way from your remote. Comes with charging goodies, extra propellers. This goes on the controller. I'll show you that in a minute. Comes with 2 batteries. This particular one does. There's also this is for taking off the blade, and there's a screwdriver somewhere that I don't even know where that is. Now, on this little thing comes out right here. Maybe a little plug. And this goes in just like that. And what it does, it opens up like so and holds your cell phone. And you can control the remote with your cell phone. There's an app you can go online and download. The drone has a GPS. It has Follow Me. It follows you wherever you go. It has what do they call that? Headless. I don't know. What it is, if you push the handle forward, it goes forward. If you push the handle back, it goes back. It doesn't. In other words, a lot of drones, if it's going this way and you push the handle forward, it may go this way to come back to you. So it just follows whichever way you put the handle. It doesn't make any difference which way it's oriented. I hope I made that clear as mud. Anyhow, it also has Circle Me, and a lot of those options, the Circle Me and the Follow Me, are only available through the phone app. The camera can be controlled. There's a control here to point it up and down, and you can push the button, take pictures, or you can push the button and take video. So I'm going out to a field. We're going to go give it a try and see how we make out. So come along, let's see what happens. Okay, we've got the drone, controller, battery, another battery in the box. I brought my camera. As you can tell, we're using it. This is the head strap for the camera. I'm going to put the camera on my head and see if we can see what's going on. We're going to give this drone stuff a try. It's very windy out here, and it's probably too windy, but we're going to give it a try anyhow. So let's see what happens. Let me put it all together. Okay. The first thing the directions said to do was to turn it on. Then it said push in the battery. Okay, battery's in. We hear a beep, which means it's connected. And now we have to look at the bottom. Everything's flashing different colors, which means we have to position it. So you turn it. 1, 2, 3, and they've changed to flashing green. Now we take the front of it, point it up in the air, and turn it like this. And the GPS is positioning itself, calibrating itself, whatever GPSs do. And then lights are all solid, so it's ready to go. Next we arm it by doing that, or we don't. There we go. And let's see what we got. Alright, has a total failure. It's supposed to go straight up in the air. Okay, don't ask me why. It's supposed to go straight up and hover. Alright, oh, the GPS was turned off. Okay, that answers that question. Alright, we're going to try again. Put it on the ground. Turn it on. And there it goes. Alrighty. Up. Down. Forward. Oh, that didn't forward. Turn it. Turn it down. Hovers nicely. Let's turn on the camera. Go up and take a picture. We're here. Here I am. Down, 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 down. Come back to me. All right. You can see it's going to take a while to get used to this. Let's go back to where we started from. If you look at the camera, we can control the camera. Maybe. Maybe not. Oh, we can't. It's not made it to it yet. Let's see. Well, that's interesting. Oh, there goes the camera. I don't know, did you see it? But oops. I was supposed to turn off, and it didn't. Why didn't that turn off? Well, alrighty. Up and hover. Turn it on. Up and hover. And that didn't work. What's the matter with it? Tell it to come back home. Wow. Don't need the box. Don't need the box. Okay. Couldn't get any closer than that, I guess. Maybe it's a bad idea landing on that box. Turn it on. Go up and hover. We can turn it. Hey, come back here. Where are you going? Tell it to come home.